Tell me about you.
Wait, yes, sir. Basically, I have given the aeronautical mechanical engineering common entrance exam, which is basically for pilot and air maintenance team. Basically, the air maintenance team does not get the degree.
First
Okay.
of all, you introduce about you better.
Okay, sir. I am Pratik Arote, Pratik Dinkar Arote. I have just passed out 12th, and I am preparing from National Defense Academy, NDA, and I will be joining engineering soon. As that part, I have given the CET part, the JEE, and all the exams I have given, and this is the one I have been ranking now. Yes, sir.
Now, tell about what is the exams and about the details about the exams. When
Okay.
it applied that exams and what is the question details
Okay, sir.
regarding this, and then after we can discuss other things.
Okay, sir. Basically, it's a exam of the pilot, means pilot and the aeronautical team, which is regarding the aircraft which we see in the civil area, not regarding the defense area. It's the part of the civil aviation. In AME full form is the aeronautical mechanical engineering, and its exam is aeronautical mechanical engineering common entrance test, AME CET. At the month of April, forms get released, and after that we have sufficient time, 1 month time to complete that. And after that, this year it has been late because of the COVID, but this exam got conducted in the 5th or 6th month of the year. And the exam is basically easy. Easy. If we go through the exam, that CBSE books, the exam will be very more easy to you. The main there are many. Let's say that. Sorry. There are maths, physics, chemistry, English, and general awareness. And for each, it's 80 marks each. Okay. Math is for 80 marks. Maths is for 80 marks. Physics is for 80 marks. Chem 80 marks. But English and general awareness, it consists of 60 and 60, means 60 marks each. So total is 240 for aptitude and 60 for English and 60 for general awareness. So my score was near about 254 out of 306 or 306. The main topic which we should be covering in the maths part, that is set theory, relation function, matrices. The main part is that conic section, trigonometry. Main is trigonometry. It consists more of trigonometry and that what is that? Sorry, differentiation and all that it consists of. Mainly trigo and the calculus part is more important for this exam. It consists more of them. And but then for others like English portion, we can cover normal general English, that general grammar, and that will be more than sufficient for this. And for chemistry, physical and means physical chemistry and non-physical, that will be more basically paper is very easy.
Beta, one thing, sorry for disturbance. Actually, every syllabus, you just now you have to told me physics, chemistry, math, English, and GK. Is it?
Yes, sir.
So, what is the distribution of every topics in AME?
Sir, there is no means there is no given particular distribution of it. Okay. There is a part of it. means math consists of 80 marks.
Mhm.
And 2 marks means, sorry, 4 marks each question. 4 marks each question. Means all around 50 to 20 questions it consists of.
Mhm.
And in maths 80 marks, chemistry, physics 80 marks, chemistry 80 marks, and English and general awareness is consists of 60 marks.
Mhm.
This that's all the topic.
Good. Mhm. So how much you got? Total, how much marks of that paper?
Total 360, 360,
And how much you got?
254.
Good, excellent. बहुत अच्छा.
Yes.
Good. So what is the suggestion of you about these students who are interested to AME CET?
Basically, sir, the engineering part, the students are pursuing that for the degree, that the degree part. It also has the degree, but the AME, the Aeronautical Mechanical Engineering stream, does not consist of the degree. We do not get the degree of it. It has two division, means two categories, A1 category and A category and B category basically. In A1 category, there are more further. The means the AME is divided into two parts: mechanical and avionics. Through avionics, we can go to the pilot section.
Okay.
And through mechanical, we can join line maintenance, base maintenance. This is the part. In A part, there are two types of there are two terms. If student wants to go through 2 years training, he can go through 2 years training. If he want to go through 4-year training, he can go through 4 years training.
Okay,
it's not compulsory. Yes, it depends upon us, because it consists of various license. It's not the part of that we are getting the degree. This is a position. Aeronautical mechanical engineer it is a position, not a degree. AME is the one who signs off the aircraft. He signs off the aircraft, means before leaving the shed, means the hangar, the aircraft has to go under the some maintenance and some checks. The final one who is going to sign off on the papers that this aircraft is fully fit and fine to fly. He is the one. AME is the one who signs off this.
And tell me about you. What is your study and which part is strong, which part is your weak, and what is your future planning?
Yes, sir.
How much you got in AME CET 2021? How much rank?
I got 1,274 rank.
71, no? I think 71.
71, 74. So basically, I don't remember that.
Okay. No
basically, due to my that NDA preparation, I doesn't concentrate.
You are concerned and fully devoted in
yes,
NDA only.
Yeah. NDA, yes, sir. As a side part, I am giving this all exams, sir.
Okay.
But my main interest is in aviation, so that's why I have given this exam. But if anyone want to
who is
my phone, have a break for 2 minutes.
किसका है?
Sorry, sir.
No problem.
Basically, I am giving NDA. I have given 2 attempts, National Defense Academy, and in both attempts, I have cleared my written, but the sectional cutoff is there. So due to my weak math, I have been back in maths, due to which I have not gone to SSB. My first attempt, I got 454, and in second attempt, I got 496. But due to maths, I failed. But this time, for sure, I will join.
Sure. All the best for your career.
Thank you, sir.
And tell me, beta, what about you? Just where you are living?
Sir, I am living in Mumbai, Kalyan.
Mhm.
And I have been gone to college, KM Agarwal College in my locality,
Mhm.
and I have been seeing your lectures. That my buddy is there, Yash Arsol. He
Mhm.
has gone joined the National Defense Academy 145 course. So
Mhm.
he has suggested to me to join your lectures. It really helped me a lot,
Thank you, beta.
basically in physics, uh,
Okay.
and in various things. It motivates.
And beta,
It
what is
helps
the
me a lot.
huh, most welcome, beta. What is your suggestion for the basic student who is studying 7, 8, 9, 10, as well as 11, 12? What is your
Yes, sir.
suggestion so that
Yes, sir.
he will make a good career, and he it may be every student having different motto and whatever you can say aim. So what is the process, what is the basic fundamental they can achieve his goal in his life?
Yes, sir. Uh, if I have been in the sixth, I known at that 6th point, I will be working on the main textbook part. All that come from the textbook part, not side of the textbook. It's not like that CA and competitive exams. It's normal of the normal exam that we go through in a college, in a school. It's of that. And if from sixth, basically 6 till 10, we will take it at 10, because from 10th it may started the integration and Trigo part. If anyone who wanted to join that AME, he can take that trigonometry and integrate that calculus part. If these both are the strongest of one, he can rank in top 100, and it's the best one. So in top 100, the one will get 1 lakh rupees scholarship
Hmm.
in this. This is the exam of scholarship. Means in this we get scholarship because the fees is much more than because in avionics, if one is going for pilot, the fee structure starts from 20 lakhs and ends to 50 lakhs for pilot,
For two
and
years.
uh, for 2 years or 4 years. But for pilots, sir, it's the course of 1 year.
Okay.
For pilot, it's the course of 1 year, and the in mechanic part, it has some main categories. That
Hmm.
B license, A license, B license. It's like that.
Hmm. So what you want to join? Where in B part or A part? Where you want to?
Sir, I have been basically going from pilot for going for the pilot. Uh, I will be going for pilot, sir. But due to some financial reason, my father is asking for choosing the another course,
Mhm.
because
So you can
20 to 50.
take loan also. No? I think education loan already provided by the government. Is it?
Yes, sir. I have asked for the education loan, but in that they are saying the equivalent amount of asset we should have. The
Oh.
equivalent asset we should have for that.
Mhm.
If we want to take the this a loan of 35 to 40 lakhs, so we should have that property of 35 to 40 lakhs to keep as a asset to him,
But in
like that.
education loan, I think according to my point of view, no any mortgage and something property, no need of this. I think so. You asked
So basically,
in
my
this time.
father has asked. So
Uh-huh.
my father has asked.
Mhm.
So I don't have an idea of the loan, and from basically they will be guiding. The means the second stage. There are two phases of this exam. First,
Mhm.
the phase one is the written, and second is the counseling.
Mhm.
The counseling will be started. My counseling date is 5 August. So
Mhm.
I will be getting the all information, further information of the counseling.
Which
In that,
place?
yeah, here only online source only.
Okay. So how many
Yes, sir.
colleges is there?
There are total 147 colleges in all over India.
And
But
how many government colleges?
sir, there is no government college for this. All the council, that DGCA council, DGCA, Directorate General of Civil Aviation.
Mhm.
It is the college. Which college is going to be approved by DGCA? That is the only one.
Mm. So after, I think after 2 or 3 hours later, you are flying a plane, is it?
Yes, sir. If I got opportunity that the financial stability, then I will be joining for sure.
Sure. I think bank will provide you loan. I think so. Please ask.
Sir, yes, sir. But basically, sir, this financial problem does not last for that 50 lakhs. The main problem is for this exam is the main finance problem. Each and every student will get it because for basic it will be costing about 20 to 50 lakh for stage one,
Mhm.
and after that, it in that training, a person will be trained for the small aircraft, like Cessna 125, Cessna 552. These are the small aircraft which we see in small private aircraft, private airfield. That the small aircraft. In this 1 year training, we will be getting the education of how to fly that small aircraft.
Mhm.
And further, there is a next stage of it, that's type rating.
Mhm.
Some of the companies like Emirates, AirAsia, these
Mhm.
companies hire some fresh pilots and
Mhm.
give them type rating. But if not done, one should have to give the type rating, and again it costs about 35 to 40 lakhs for type rating. Type rating means the material of the bigger aircraft, that Boeing 747, 777. These are the
I
yes,
I think total nearly 1 CR you must have to
yes.
keep for the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
coming up pilot, na?
It's upon the potential of the student, because there are semesters in this. If one failed in the one semester, he have to give it again.
Mhm.
And the main part is for doing flying hours minimum for getting CPL, that is the commercial pilot license.
Mhm.
In the first part of it, we get the CPL,
Mhm.
the commercial pilot license. For that, we require 200 hours of flying.
Okay. Mhm.
Yes, sir. As the flying hours increases, that will multiply with the amount we have to pay.
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay. Good. And anything else if you want to
Yes, sir.
inform
I will be suggesting for the students that they should not apply for the A line. A line, because A line is the line maintenance, which is not the major one. Major one means the B part. The B part will consist of the main engine part, and the propulsion part. And in the line maintenance, that is A part, the person will have to, that the tire repairing, hydraulic system, the that AC repairing, that all part comes in the A part. So I will be suggesting for a person who is aspiring to join this AME, so he should be giving that B part.
B part is the better for every and each and every
Yes,
child.
sir.
It's a really
Uh,
professional and prestigious job.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Mhm.
And it has a salary, but in starting we get less salary, because as I said, that AM is not a degree, it is a rank, it is a particular rank. So going there is a 5 year travel, means in that there also are ranks, that first general, then there are many more, sir. I am bit less active about it.
Mhm.
uh, there are five. I have know that there are five ranks.
Hmm.
In first year we get 8 to 10,000 rupees salary,
Hmm.
but as the experience increases,
In the
we
study
get
period,
more.
in the study period or in the job period?
In the during job period, we also get the stipend. We get stipend.
Hmm.
We get stipend for the study period, and after we join a particular company, we get the means 8 to 10,000 rupees salary we get. It's pretty decent, but it's not maximum. But as experience increases, the 6 months, as we go 6 months, and we clear a second next semester, we will be promoted to the next rank.
Hmm.
And as the rank increases, the salary automatically goes from 25,000 to 30,000. And one who have got the AME rank, that is long 5 years long journey to get that. For that, 2.5 lakh rupees is the minimum salary.
Per a month.
That one we will get.
Per
Yes.
a month.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Any student want anything about this? Any student want anything? Any student having any questions to ask him? Good. Any suggestion for us? By your
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I am aspiring to join you in offline part, but due to COVID reasons, sir, their offline batches are not possible, sir.
No problem, beta.
And some financial reasons, sir.
No problem. All the best, and you must have to achieve your goal in your life. Don't worry. And always we have to support to you and all students.
Yes, sir.
All the best. Thank you. Lot of thanks for giving your valuable time. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, beta. Thank you. Lot of thanks.
Thank you, sir.